Yes, sir. Today is a spectacular, splendid, swell. Dang, what's another word? Yes, sir. Today is a spectacular, splendid, swell, amazing, wonderful day to make some money. And not only that, today is a very, very special day. You know, today is the day that I hit 10,000 subscribers on this channel. I just want to say thank you for all the love and support on this channel, man. Couldn't have done it without you. And in honor of 10K, you know I gotta do it big. I'm doing a 24-hour Clickbank challenge. And you know I gotta add my sauce to it, right? So within these 24 hours, if I don't make $100 in profit, then I owe someone $100 in my next video. And speaking of that, my last video didn't do too well, you know? So I owe someone $100 in this video right here. So if that's you on the screen right there, just DM me on Instagram to claim your $100 and I got you. But I know a lot of you guys are new to Clickbank and you probably never seen anyone do a Clickbank challenge before. So I'm gonna be walking you guys step by step on the whole process of making money on there. So make sure that you sit back, you know, relax, get some snacks. Also hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. You know, we just hit 10K. You might as well subscribe. Y'all know I do this for the culture. You know, one more time for 10K, for the culture. But either way, man, this is gonna be good. So for those that don't know what Clickbank is, it's basically just a marketplace with thousands of different products that you can promote. So we're gonna be doing something called affiliate marketing. Now, if you guys don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's basically you're just selling other people's products and you're getting a commission for it. And affiliate marketing is something that you do on a day-to-day basis anyway, you just don't know it. So let's say you see a product, right? And you think your friends may like this product. So you send them the link to that product and then they go and purchase that product. You just did affiliate marketing, except you didn't get a commission for it. But if you were signed up to the affiliate program, you would get a commission for it. So now that you know what Clickbank is, it's time to get into this challenge, man. I'm excited for this. So it's currently Wednesday, September 2nd, 8:01 p.m. So we starting a little late today, but you know,
it is what it is. It is what it is.
Now when it comes to Clickbank, don't think that you could just go on there, find a random product, share that product, and just make money that easy. Now, slow your roll, grasshopper. There's 3 things that we need to do before we even get to the bag. Number 1, we need to find a high converting product. All right, so I'm on Clickbank right now and we're gonna find our product to promote. Now, if you don't have a Clickbank account, it's completely free to sign up. All you gotta do is hit sign up and it'll take about 5 minutes or so to create your account. But I'm gonna go ahead and log into mine. Now, this is an old account of mine, but we're gonna use this one for this video. So in order to find the products, right, all you got to do is go over to marketplace, right? And as you can see, they got a bunch of different categories on the side right here. So they got arts and entertainment, they got e-business and e-marketing. So that's basically the make money online niche. So they got health and fitness. I know a lot of you guys are into health and fitness. They got a bunch of products over there. Home and garden, self-help, spirituality. Let's go over to health and fitness real quick, because health and fitness, this is the most popular niche on Clickbank. Anytime you want to find the best selling products on Clickbank, all you got to do is sort it by gravity, right? So we look at this one, right? The gravity on this one is 661. That's crazy, man. 661, that means 661 people have successfully sold this product within the last couple weeks. So that means if that's many people are selling that product, you could do it as well, man, for sure, for sure. But I'm gonna go down to spirituality. And as you can see, they got this offer right here, the free numerology readings. Now, this is the product that I'm gonna be promoting in this video. It's basically a numerology reading to find your life path, soul origin, destiny numbers. And as you can see, the average sell on this one is 1646. The gravity on it is 229. So I found that anything above like a 50 gravity score is a good product to promote. But I'm gonna go ahead and click on the affiliate page real quick so that we can see like a little more about the offer. Now, 9 times out of 10, if you go to the affiliate page, they'll have the demographics, they'll have some email swipes for you, they'll have some ad copy, they'll have pretty much everything that you need to promote the product. So make sure that you check it out, especially in the health and fitness niche and everything like that. They'll have everything that you need. But for this one, they don't have no emails or anything like that. So I'm gonna just scroll down. Actually, they do. So as you can see, they got some images that you can use and everything like that. So if you scroll all the way down, let's see if they have any emails for us. Now, I don't see any emails for this one, but if I scroll back up, I'm gonna show you guys the offer that I'm gonna be promoting. So I'm gonna be promoting this one right here, the $37 offer. Not this one right here, the $14 one. I'm promoting the $37 offer. And now that I'm looking at it, they do actually have some email swipes for this one as well. So if we click on it, if you have an email list, you can send this directly to your email list. Just copy and paste it like that. So as you can see, the emails, boom, boom. But we're not gonna be doing email marketing for this video. I just wanted to show y'all that because I know a lot of you guys are new to Clickbank. So now that we know the offer that we're gonna be promoting, which is the free numerology readings, now the next step would be to create a landing page for it. So here's my landing page for the free numerology readings. As you can see, I just have a heading, a subheading, an image, and then a button. Very, very clean, very basic. And I use ClickFunnels for my landing pages. So if you guys want to actually get this funnel, the exact funnel that I'm using for this challenge, I'm gonna leave a link in the description below for it. But like I said, it's very, very basic. You don't have to use ClickFunnels. They got other free landing page builders like Weebly. They got Wix. They got a bunch of other landing page builders. So like I said, you don't have to use ClickFunnels. This is just what I use. But if we preview it, let me actually preview it real quick. And I'm gonna actually show you guys, once they click this button, they get taken straight to the offer. So I'm not collecting any emails or anything like that for this challenge, but I highly recommend if you really wanna make some real money on Clickbank and with affiliate marketing in general, you wanna be building your list at the same time. So make sure that you add an opt-in form. It's very, very simple to do. If I were to add an opt-in form, I would just add element, and then we're gonna go over the form, and then we're gonna hit input, just add it right here. Boom, as you can see, email address, and then you gotta hook it up to your Aweber account or whatever email provider that you're using. So now that we got step 1 and 2 out the way, it's time to move on to step 3, which is the ad copies. Now, I'm gonna reveal the ad copies later on in this video, so make sure that you keep watching. But for right now, I wanna go with my strategy for how I'm gonna make sales during this challenge. So the strategy I'm gonna be using for this video is Instagram influencers. So I'm gonna be contacting spiritual pages and asking them what are their promo rates. So they might charge me like $30, $40 for a 24-hour post on the page. And then once we agree on a deal, I'm gonna send them my ad, I'm gonna send them my link, and then they're gonna post that on their page. Now the reason why this works so well with Clickbank is because the amount of money that you're getting per sale. So some products you may get $20 per sale, $30 per sale, $40, $50, $60 per sale. So let's say an influencer charges me $30, right? And I'm promoting a product on Clickbank that pays me $30 per sale. All I need is 1 sale to break even, 2 sales to get in profit. So you can see how this will add up over time. You go to other pages with like 200K followers, they'll get you 5 to 6 sales, you know? It depends on the type of page, you know, you gotta do your research, see if the page is a good page. If they bought followers, that's a no-go. But you just gotta do your research, man. But this can definitely add up over time and you can make a lot of money with it. But enough talking, I'm gonna go get me some money. I'll hit you guys up tomorrow with an update.
The next day.
Yes, sir. You know the vibe. Is currently 8:51 p.m. September 3rd. So the 24-hour challenge is complete. Now, since I didn't show you guys the ads from yesterday, I'm gonna do that first, and I'm gonna also show you guys the influencer that I used. And then after we get done with that, I'm gonna show you guys exactly how much I made during this 24-hour challenge. So let's hop right into it. All right, so I'm on the page right now, and as you can see, it's called the Spirit Guide, and it has 240,000 followers on it, and it's in the Law of Attraction niche, right? So here's my ad right here. It got 53 likes on it. But I'm telling you, it got a bunch of traffic to it. As you can see, the ad copy and everything like that. So you can use the same thing if you want to, but I highly recommend you go to other pages, because I know a lot of people gonna watch this video, and if y'all all go to the same page, no one's gonna make any sales. So you just gotta find some other pages to do the same method on. Don't just go to this page. But as you can see, the reason why I picked this page is because look at the likes. You know, 7,000 likes 21 hours ago, 3,000 likes, 14,000 likes 1 day ago, 6,000 likes. So this page obviously has good engagement. So you want to look for that as well when you're looking for other pages. Good engagement is key. Look at how many likes they're getting, look at how many comments they're getting, and you can also ask them for their demographics, right? So they can screenshot their demographics, and if they have like a mainly United States audience, United Kingdom, Canada, those type of countries, it's a go. But this page right here charged me $44 for a 24-hour post on their page, which is not bad at all considering the fact that they got excellent engagement and they have over 200,000 followers. And I know a lot of you guys are probably thinking like, yo Drell, you could have went to 5 other pages and did the exact same thing. Well, I know a lot of you guys are beginners right now and you probably don't have much money to start. So that's why I went with 1 page and only spent about $44 on that promo, just to show you guys that you can get started with less than $100, less than $50 even, and still make money. And, you know, speaking of making money, let's get to that right now. All right, so I'm on my Clickbank account right now, and as you can see, yesterday I made $46.15, which is kind of good because I started at about 8 p.m. so it was late in the day. And then today I made $105.07, which brings our total up to $151.22. Yes, sir. You know, let me take a bow. You know, one more time. You know, challenge completed, but we gotta remember that that's not all profit. If we take the $151.22 that we made in sales and we subtract the $44 that I spent on an influencer, we get a total profit of $107.22. So that means I don't owe anybody $100 in this video. But look, I got a special treat for y'all. I'm gonna be giving one person free access to my Clickbank Mastery course, which has over 10 hours worth of content, and it's closed right now, so you can't even buy that course or anything like that. And all you gotta do to enter that giveaway is to drop a like on this video, subscribe to the channel, and we just hit 10K, you know? Subscribe to the channel and comment down below. That's all you gotta do to enter that giveaway. And then in my next video, I will be picking a winner for that course. But that's gonna wrap up today's video. I hope that you found it valuable and that you actually take action. Don't just watch these videos and don't take any action, because I'm showing you guys the whole process step by step on how to make money on Clickbank with drop shipping, well, all of these different side hustles that I'm doing on this channel. So make sure that you take action, and if you start having success with it, hey, DM me, you know? I want to see all you guys' success. And if you don't actually see success with it right away, which is going to happen a lot of times, it takes a while before you actually start seeing success. Don't give up. Keep trying out different things, and eventually you'll get the hang of it and you will start seeing results. But I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. I'm out this thing.